here. What's up? Yo, hold on, bro. Take a seat, bro. Come here. What the fuck was that? Yeah, I heard that. Whoa, they bap. Oh, he's out. Oh, shit. Oh, he's out. Oh, shit. Go, move out the way. Oh, holy shit. Oh.
While the group is deciding on their next move, the two bikers watch on as a crash erupts just off to the left of them. But within a few seconds, the riders know something's off. And moments later, when the driver emerges from the car, it's clear he's not okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I don't understand what just happened.
Okay, hold on. Hey man, are you good? You said what?
Trying to get them church number.
Alright, man. Oh, hold on, bro. Don't.
I ain't going nowhere. This is my keys, bro.
I know, but you're pulling it forward. Is it in neutral? Come on, bro. I got it, bro. Come over here.
Hey, bro. I ain't talking.
What's up?
I'll get insurance.
Yo, hold on, bro. Take a seat, bro. Come here.
No.
Take. You're drunk, bro. Take a seat. Bro.
You are, man.
I know, but you gotta take a seat. You can't. You're drunk. Look, hey, bro. Just go away. Just take a seat. Take a seat on the curb.
Down, honey. In case you hit your head, take a seat.
No, I don't want to get you.
I get the. Look, right here. Come here. You good, bro?
As reality is setting in, the driver starts begging them not to call the police to get a DUI. But with multiple cars destroyed and people at risk, the riders do the only responsible thing and keep him there.
No, please don't call.
We're not calling.
Hey, come on, bro. Just do me a favor, bro.
We're not calling.
I've been out of work, bro, for a long time.
I know. Yeah. We got it. I know.
A few moments later.
My bad.
Heading onto an overhead ramp, this rider makes a costly mistake mid-turn. A lane change turns into running wide, sending him straight into the concrete barrier. Thankfully, the fencing does its job, preventing what could have been a far more serious fall. Here, a rider decides to hop onto the sidewalk for just a moment, but that decision backfires fast. A reminder that sidewalks aren't built for bikes, even briefly. Barely missing the side of a car, this rider chooses to pull over and talk it out. But the surprising part, this driver has no idea the biker was even there, leading to a confusing exchange that shows how easily riders can become invisible.
Did you not see me? What do you mean? You just fucking nearly hit me.
Today?
What do you mean today? No, yesterday.
Sorry.
Did you not see me?
Now?
Yes.
Did I hit you?
Oh, forget about it, mate.
When I was turning?
Yeah.
I was turning, I was good.
Careful, there's a dude U-turning over there.
Oh my god. Let's hit him and get an insurance claim. Oh, what?
Bruh. You can't park there, mate! Wait, hold on. Fuck you. Bro.
Out on a ride, these bikers notice a driver blocking traffic and playing by his own rules. Instead of letting it slide, the riders have a little fun with him. But as you'll see, not everyone takes road jokes lightly, and things can turn tense fast.
I don't know what he said, but he called you an asshole or something. Go one game. Good one, gang. Good one.
Riding along a bike lane, this rider suddenly gets cut off by a car making a last-second turn, sending him off the bike.
Good one, gang. Good one, gang. Good one, gang.
Luckily, the driver realizes what just happened and immediately rushes over to help.
So sorry.
You're good, bro.
Do you want like insurance information? Like, are
Nah, you're good. Just give me a break. Hold on.
I'm so sorry.
You get up here.
Yeah. I'm so sorry. I didn't listen to you.
It wasn't that bad though.
Please don't just say that.
Nah, it could have been worse. Why is my bike loose like I'm not?
I'm so fucking sorry. Can I like?
I'm not injured. I'm glad you stopped for like.
Yeah, no, I
didn't expect you to stop.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that normal?
Nah.
Oh, I can't drive in platforms. It's in my car. Do not hesitate to call me, text me, whatever. If there ends up being damage to your bike and you need some paid for things, I will send you the money.
You seen Arizona anywhere?
I will buy you in Arizona. Oh, Ray. How much is it? This is truly the least I can do. I just hit you with my car.
You pay me for like the whole accident? $50.
No. Please text me if like it ends up being like costing more money or anything. Okay? So sorry.
Thank you for stopping. I mean, you didn't have to for
I mean, I kind of did. Yeah. Like, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm so sorry. I hope you're okay. I hope your day goes well and beyond that.
Lane splitting his way toward the front of traffic, this rider catches the attention of an older driver in a pickup. From there, emotions take over, and what should have been routine quickly turns confrontational.
A few moments later.
Getting ready to head out, this rider is stopped by a neighbor who's clearly upset. What starts as another routine noise complaint quickly turns into a heated argument, highlighting how even off the road, tensions around bikes can run high.
The next time you start that up,
What?
the next time you start that up, you let me know. Because I'm working on my stereo, focus is to make it on fire. I'm walking the garage and fucking my heart. I can't, it's true. I'm
I
not
told
used to
you
this
I was
motherfucker.
leaving.
Well, how do I know when you're gonna start it? God damn it, fuck, I don't want to die that way. Fucking thing.
Cut off by a black Camaro, this rider has only a split second to decide, slide the bike or risk a direct impact. Instead, the bike takes the hit, but the aftermath is surprisingly calm as responsibility is accepted.
Are you kidding me?
You've got to be shitting me. I'm good.
Sorry, sweetheart.
Can I just get your information? Is that possible?
Sure, kid. I'm about to pull over right there.
Okay.
Huh?
Put it away.
Put what away?
The bike.
Why?
Because alright, you know what? You want to be a dick? I'll have it towed. I could hear you.
Wait, hold on.
Stopping to show his bike to a couple of old friends, this rider suddenly finds himself confronted by an angry man in a Jeep. What starts aggressive quickly turns awkward when the driver realizes he's mistaken the rider for someone else.
I'm asking you. Take it. Put it away.
Wait, hold on. What happened?
Don't fucking play. Alright, I'll have it towed. For racing.
Dude. I don't know. I'm out of here, dude.
A few moments later.
I'm confused.
And those two kids, they kind of piss me off sometimes too, so.
What, you seen him before?
They live right by me. The
Really?
younger one used to cause trouble. Him
What?
and his brothers, so.
Which one?
The little one?
Oh, the little one?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're Arabic, and him and his brothers were doing some shit, so I went off on them once. The other kid, he's pretty quiet.
Yeah.
I didn't know he was that old.
Yeah. Yeah, we used to go to high school together.
Alright.
Then I graduated and I told him if I ever bought a bike, I'd come back and show him.
Alright.
And so that's what we're doing today.
Alright. Just be cool.
Alright.
Alright, man.
Oh shit, my key. Alright, have a good one.
This guy just stole my stuff.
After tracking down a thief who fled with stolen gear, this rider arrives just moments after the suspect crashes his bike. As the suspect tries to get moving again, the camera captures everything. Proof of how valuable recording can be when things take a turn.
And he wrecked in the middle here. Sir, what's your name? He wrecked his bike trying to get out of here. Funny how God works, huh?
So strong.